In today's video, I'll show you how to add a 75-minute chart in TradingView so you can analyze price action with a custom time frame that isn't available by default. Start by opening any chart in TradingView. At the top of your chart, you will see the time interval menu, the one that shows options like 1D, 1H or 60 minutes. Click on it to open the full list of intervals. Scroll down until you see the option called Add Custom Interval. This is where you can create your own time frame. Click it and you'll see a small panel where you can enter your custom settings. Type 75 into the interval box and make sure the unit is set to minutes. Once everything looks correct, click Add. Your new 75-minute interval will now appear in your list just like any other time frame. Select it and your chart will instantly update to the 75-minute view. A quick note before you go further, custom time frames like 75 minutes are only available on TradingView's paid plans, Pro Plus or Premium. If you are on the free plan, you will need to upgrade to unlock this feature. And that's it. Your 75-minute chart is now ready to use, giving you a fresh perspective for deeper market analysis. If this helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more TradingView tips.